Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the amazing fruit cake. It is that time of year again, and this cake is one of the many cakes we would usually make during this season. It is absolutely delicious, it is alcohol free, and it is super tasty. Now these are the list of the ingredients, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here, guys, I will be creaming my butter. This process usually takes about 15 minutes. So there I added my brown sugar. Then after 15 minutes, it looks something like this, light and fluffy. Then I'm going to add my baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and nutmeg to my flour, and we're going to mix that in. Then to our eggs, we are going to add some good vanilla extract, some orange zest, and some orange peel if you have, that is optional. And we're going to whisk that until it is nice and light. Then we are going to use a strainer and pour the egg mixture into the butter, just like that, so we can get rid of all of that orange peel. After that is done, we are going to use our mixer and mix that in. Then we are going in with our fruits. The way I made these fruits, guys, I will leave everything that I use in the description box. And those of you who do not know how to get it done this way, I'll also leave step-by-step instructions. Then we are going to add the orange zest, and we are going to fold. At this time, we do not want to over mix, so we are going to sift a little flour at a time, and we are going to fold. Just like that, sift and fold. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe. Back in the day, after our cake is mixed, my grandma used to stick the spoon in the center, and if it sticks, it's good. All right, so we are going to fold our cherries in. Then we are going to bake for 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. Make sure to preheat your oven, guys. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely amazing, delicious, flavorful. You guys are gonna love it. All right, so if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. I appreciate you guys. See you all on the next video, and have yourself a wonderful holiday and Merry Christmas. Yes, I know I'm early, but yeah, Merry Christmas.